Join me as I challenge myself to learn and explain the 10 keywords you need to know to protect yourself from hackers in 2024. In today's digital age, it's essential to be aware of the potential threats lurking in the shadows of the internet. Having knowledge of specific keywords can empower you to take control of your online security and protect yourself from hackers. It's time to take your digital safety seriously, and I'm here to guide you through the most crucial keywords you need to know. Cyber attacks are on the rise, and it's not just big corporations that are at risk. Individuals are being targeted every day, and the consequences can be devastating. Many people have a false sense of security, thinking that hackers only target large businesses or websites. But the truth is, anyone can be a target, regardless of their online presence. Another common misconception is that antivirus software is enough to keep you safe. While it's a crucial step, it's not a foolproof solution. Hackers are constantly evolving their tactics, and you need to stay one step ahead. Many people also believe that online security is only for tech-savvy individuals. But that's not true. Protecting yourself from hackers requires a basic understanding of how the internet works and what keywords to look out for. It's time to debunk these misconceptions and take control of your online safety. In the next few minutes, I'll be sharing the 10 keywords you need to know to protect yourself from hackers in 2024. Phishing is a type of cyber attack where hackers send fake emails or messages to trick you into revealing sensitive information. It's a common tactic used to steal login credentials, credit card numbers, or even install malware on your device. Two-factor authentication is a crucial keyword to know, as it adds an extra layer of security to your online accounts. This means that even if a hacker has your password, they won't be able to access your account without the second form of verification. Encryption is another vital keyword to understand. When you encrypt your data, you're essentially scrambling it, making it unreadable to anyone who doesn't have the decryption key. This is especially important for sensitive information like passwords and credit card numbers. A VPN, or virtual private network, is a keyword that's often misunderstood. A VPN creates a secure tunnel between your device and the internet, making it harder for hackers to intercept your data. The next keyword is password manager. A password manager is a tool that generates and stores complex passwords for you, so you don't have to remember them. This is especially important, as weak passwords are one of the most common ways hackers gain access to accounts. Another crucial keyword is firewall. A firewall acts as a barrier between your device and the internet, blocking suspicious traffic and preventing hackers from gaining access to your system. The keyword zero-day exploit refers to a previously unknown vulnerability in a software or system that hackers can exploit before the developer has a chance to fix it. Zero-day exploits are especially dangerous, as there's no patch or fix available yet. Finally, the keyword patch management refers to the process of regularly updating your software and systems to fix vulnerabilities and prevent hackers from exploiting them. Of all the keywords I've shared, there's one that stands out as the most critical: password hygiene. Having strong, unique passwords for each of your accounts is essential. Using the same password across multiple sites or using weak passwords makes it easy for hackers to gain access to your accounts. Password hygiene is more than just using complex passwords, it's also about regularly updating them and using a password manager to store them securely. Having a strong password hygiene practice can significantly change how you approach your online safety. It's no longer just about using antivirus software or being cautious when clicking on links. It's about being proactive and taking control of your online security. By prioritizing password hygiene, you're making it much harder for hackers to gain access to your accounts. In conclusion, knowing these 10 keywords can empower you to protect yourself from hackers in 2024. Remember, it's not just about being tech-savvy, it's about being aware of the potential threats and taking proactive measures to stay safe online. Thanks for watching. I'd love to hear from you in the comments, which keywords surprised you the most. And if you want to learn more about cybersecurity tips, be sure to check out my other videos.